Ooh. Get off me, cuz.
I got a prank today. Y'all's not ready for this. Okay. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay. So, I don't watch TikTok or nothing, right? But I was on YouTube and I seen this TikTok video of this girl, right? And she had spaghetti or penne, whatever you call it. So what she did was, she over here in the car talking about some boyfriend, my neck hurt. He like, what's wrong, boo? What's wrong, babe? And guess what she did? Hold on. Check this out real quick, hold on. She said, oh, my neck hurt, babe, my neck. He like, what's wrong, honey? She said, she said, so I'm gonna prank Malik. What you mean? Like, of course I am. Prankster Gab. But he not ready for this. I'm not ready for this. I don't know how he gonna react. He probably never care. He gonna be like that. He gonna be like he don't never care about me anyway. So I don't know. So if he don't care, don't be surprised, cause he just like that. But if he do care, whatever. Mind your business. So he's on his way here right now. So I'm gonna act. Wait, this is kind of good. Hold on. He's on his way here now. So today we're gonna be doing the have I ever whatever it's called, you know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna act like it's a normal regular video, but we know, you know, I know, we both know it ain't no regular video. It's a prank, honey. Don't get it twisted, but he don't know. He's gonna be a little slow today. So I'm kind of excited. So I'll catch y'all during our video. He don't know what's going on. He gonna be like, So okay.
What's up, y'all? It's Gab Leek.
No, I say my name.
We're back tonight with
me.
Oh, alright, we're starting over. What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? We're back and it's
shut up. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome to our channel. It's Gab and it's
Leek.
And today we're gonna be doing what, Leek? Tell them.
What have you ever?
When have you never?
Have you ever never?
When have we ever?
Have you never?
Whenever? We're gonna be doing the ever have I. Okay, I don't know what's
Never have I ever.
Oh yeah, never had I ever challenge. And I asked some of my followers. Have you asked your followers?
No, I don't.
Because he does not listen. I told him to ask his followers. He did not.
She didn't tell me to.
But yes, I did.
It wouldn't help because I don't get any responses.
Yeah, nobody even liked him like that.
Yeah.
So I have all the questions on my phone. Well, it's not really questions. It's more so like responses.
So how are you doing?
So I'm gonna be like, never have I ever stolen something, and you said I have or I have not.
That's what I write.
Yes.
Or yes or no.
What you mean? You put have I ever? You put I have or I have not. Some more.
Alright.
First question is, have you ever stole something?
Damn, you just got right into it. Yeah.
Oh, what you mean? What am I supposed to say?
Go ahead.
The first question is, have you never ever stole something? 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, would you say we got right? Would you say we got it right?
I have or I have not. 3, 2, 1, go. Is it backwards for y'all?
Thief. No, it was like this last time.
Huh? Oh, a thief? Huh?
Yeah, you a thief.
No.
It was definitely like this last time.
Oh yeah. What happened was back in preschool there was this toy truck and the lady said I could not take it home, but I took it home anyway. I stuffed it right in my bag in my cubby and I took it right home because you're not gonna play with me. I paid too much tuition for this school for not to be able to take this truck home.
You didn't pay anything, actually.
My mom did, and that was too much for me not to be able to take it home. Like what you talking about? So I returned it.
No, you didn't.
I know.
She's lying.
I was trying to be nice. Yo, my neck really hurt. My neck really hurts.
Never have I ever forgotten your anniversaries, huh? What's wrong with your neck?
I don't know, because I've been being sad. Go ahead.
Never have I ever forgotten your anniversaries.
What are you saying?
Never have I ever forgotten, I guess, the anniversary, I guess. I don't know. I don't even know what that is. It's like, not a thing. Ready?
Why are you typing that? I mean, why are you putting I have?
No. Yo, this is literally what I wrote.
I know the answer.
you put it?
I know. Then what's the answer? Go ahead. Tell me what the answer is. Have you?
You gotta write yours. Yours still says I have.
Fine. Why you didn't put not?
Yo,
you be good to us. You embarrassing me all the time.
You ready? Here,
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright,
I have not forgotten our anniversary.
First of all, I don't even think we have one of those.
Yeah, we don't have one. This is the thing.
I've never asked her to be my girlfriend. It's just like...
Why would you sit on camera trying to always embarrass me? You always trying to make me look bad.
But you are, though. It's not making you look bad. We've been together for like 4 years. But I've just never asked her, so it's not really official, you know? So we don't have a...
It's not official.
Like the date is not official.
Oh, yeah. So,
it's just more
this is what I told
idea.
This is what I told him, right? So somebody said we got anniversary on live.
Whenever I'm
So I know it's somewhere around November or December. So whenever I want some really good food, I just be like to Malik, our anniversary's today. Did you forget? He be like, oh, and he take me out to eat. Never have I ever passed gas and didn't feel embarrassed.
Oh no! Wait, how do I?
Wait, never.
I'm confused.
Wait, how do you answer
Never
that?
have I
ever passed gas? Wait, have you ever passed gas and not feel embarrassed?
Have you ever? 3, 2, what? You.
Oh, I have not. I mean, I have not. I haven't.
What does your answer mean?
Yo,
you saying that you've not?
I fart, but I feel embarrassed.
All right, so I think yours is right. Cause when I fart, but I'm with you, I don't feel.
Oh,
embarrassed.
he let it out.
But like, it depends on like who I'm around. I guess. I don't know. Like if I'm in public, maybe, or a classroom. The classroom is definitely embarrassing, but not like people.
I farted in the classroom because my teacher made me feel nervous. Cause he, no. Back in middle school, my teachers used to bully me, and I told you that. And so I used to have like my stomach used to turn, and I had the fart. But you know when you hold your fart and then go up your back and it be like.
Yeah.
Oh my god! And it was so loud. Like I might as well just had farted. Like it was so loud. It was like this. Everyone was like, but I'm like, yo, you nasty as heck, yo. You over there? Da, da, da. She like, that was you.
Hold on. Smoky.
Pick one.
Where you going? I got a fart, yo.
Just pick my last.
I got a fart.
Oh no, you can.
I'm gonna fart. Hope she doesn't include that. Excuse me. Never have I ever cheated on the test. I wouldn't say I've cheated. I've just used my resources to my advantage.
Okay.
So, 3, 2, 1. Bow. Especially like with this whole Zoom environment. I use the internet a lot. You know, Chegg, Quizlet, all that good stuff. Oh. Get off me, cuz. Hey, we shooting a video. We shooting a video. Come on, we shooting a video. Get up, we shooting a video. Alright guys, I guess that's the end of the video. We're gonna catch you back on this next episode of Gab Leek. And then we're gonna get you. Peace out. Follow us on Instagram at letblackchild.com.
No, you didn't got broke my neck. No, I just broke my neck and you didn't.
And we'll see you later.
You didn't believe I just broke my neck. You heard that noise from me.
Yo, you got all this slobber in your mouth, yo.
You didn't hear my neck just now.
What's in your mouth? It's creating a lot of saliva. It looks nasty.
So you telling me you did not hear my neck snap? You don't care about little legs. I just said, and you didn't even freaking care.
Your neck didn't snap.
Wait, did you not hear that noise from my mouth?
No.
Yo, you was really
Is that
fake.
a prank?
Yeah.
You're gonna name this I Pranked Malik and told her my neck. You gotta do better, honey. Honey G.
My neck didn't snap. You said.
I didn't hear it.
I didn't hear it.
I just heard you fall down. Like I didn't hear your neck snap. What are you? What are you biting though? Is that a straw? Is that popcorn? What is it? Alright. Yeah, so those are failed attempts to prank me, I guess.
But no, it's not that. You just really not hear my neck snap.
Is that why you went to the bathroom to get your prank stuff? So you're eating raw spaghetti. You gonna swallow that?
I chewed it, right?
We'll see y'all in the next vid, and then Make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Follow us on Instagram, Google Black Child. Leave you. Peace out.